Hello, this is D for the Fishing Gardeners. So we're doing another project right here. So what I wanted to show you is we're making a bug screen for this side right here, the side door. So basically what I did was I got a new screen for the garage because the other one tore, as you can see, right? And that screen cost $42, right? And we're going to go ahead and take this screen and we're going to bring it inside and we're going to make a bug screen for the side door because they want $189 for the side doors 2020 Ford Transit. They want a bug screen. It's like for millionaires. Yeah. So anyway, yeah, we're gonna go ahead and go the cheap route and we're gonna go ahead and make it ourselves. So it ripped the old one. We're taking the old one and we're bringing it inside and we're going to make a bug screen.
Right? Okay. Yeah, okay. Now, to make this, what we did was we go ahead and took the garage screen, flipped it over. This is the top side. We're going to use that as the bottom. And we cut the bottom to size to fit our Ford Transit. And so now the bottom is our top and our top is our bottom. We put a split down the center, and we already taped one side using the tape that comes with the garage screen. It's plenty enough, so we put cut, and we went on ahead and put this
doubled it up.
Screen on both sides, or the tape on both sides for one side, and the other side we're going to put the same tape on one side because it sticks to this side. This side right here is what actually sticks to your garage, going around the Velcro that goes around the garage. And I already pre-measured that side. I cut 3 strips from this. I used the 2 strips back to back and put a lip a little further than the line. Same thing, I'm gonna make a lip a little past this right here, goes straight on down both sides so it will stick to it. This third one, I already measured it, and I'm gonna cut at this point right here, and that's gonna fit that side. So
This is another DIY, do it yourself. And of course, you know, this is all about the budget and saving money. So these are some things that you can do yourself. Rather than spend $189 for a van screen, you can go ahead and get one for the garage and do it yourself. I mean, we're using the old one from the garage, but it's still cheaper to just go ahead and pay the $42 and get one rather than $189 and just go ahead and make it yourself. Okay, we'll be coming back to you with more. Okay, so we got the top of the garage bug screen, and what he's doing is he's taking a box cutter and splitting down the middle to open that up. Then he's going to remove this piece right here because we won't need this piece. So that piece right there will wind up being removed. Mm-hmm. So we're just showing you that part right there. Mm-hmm. Okay, so this is the sticky part right here that comes with the screen.
The Velcro.
And that's the Velcro part. And he's placing it under there, and he's going to run that straight on down. I'm going to help him with that. And then this part that we took off the top, we're going to combine those together. See, he took that loose to see the difference in the side. So this part And it's going to go over this part all the way down. And then it's going to combine like that. All right, so we have it combined together. And what we're going to do right here is, because there was no sticky part back here, just to make sure that that Velcro stayed, that screen stays on there, because it's going to stay on the sticky part, but it's not this part, is we're probably going to just go ahead and put some staples straight down this side, because these two parts are sticking together. And if you see this right here, the top isn't sticking much right here, but the bottom is sticking, just to make sure it reinforces. It doesn't look like it's going to go nowhere because it's so sticky, but we're just going to go ahead and reinforce that right there. So you have both sides now. And then basically it'll go across. That's what we're going to do. Okay. So right here is where we're going ahead, and we're going to just go ahead and staple it just to make sure that part is reinforced. And basically that'll be it. Then we'll go ahead and place it on the van. Also, this right here, the top is going to be tucked in to the metal part of our van. So you can either use Velcro up there, or you can use the magnets. We're going to go ahead and use magnets. This strip right here is magnetized. This was part of the screen.
The bottom part.
So this was the bottom part of the screen right here.
Oh, I'm sorry.
And yeah, we're going to go ahead and use magnets. We also got extra magnets in the van. Okay, so this right here is the end result. And that's making our own. So it's not going to be perfect, but good enough. It's going to keep the bugs out. And it's covering what it needs to cover. And that's only one of the screens. So remember, when you get the garage door screens, we got the double garage door screens, because we have a two-car garage. So I think that's best. So if you do make a mistake, at least you have two screens to work with. And this is the old one. So yeah, that's what we did, and we made it ourselves, and we didn't have to pay $189. Okay, but I'm gonna go ahead and end this video and just showing you another cost-effective way to make your own. Remember, this is a no van build, right? And yeah, you can go ahead and try to do those yourself. So it took us about a half an hour to 40 minutes. Well, we were sitting around drinking our Kool-Aid and everything. Okay, if you like this video content, please hit that subscribe button and go ahead and share and give us a thumbs up. And you can have any comments below that will help us continue our no van build budget-wise. Have a nice day. Goodbye.